Every car has a fuse box on different spot. In this Peugeot, it is located here. And you probably see this is the spot for missing fuse. Let's place it in. Okay, let's do the test. Give the contact and cigarette lighter is here. Let's plug the charger and we have a signal. Yep, it is definitely working. Check when I plug in the adapter, the splash logo gonna light up. Yep, that's it. Every other car, the fuse box is on the different place, but you want to look out for a fuse for a cigarette lighter, 12 volts. I hope you enjoyed. Consider subscribing. See ya.